Introducing the reliable and efficient Lyngsø Marine UMS 2000 Accommodation Alarm Panel, Model 970431110. Designed for advanced marine monitoring and alarm management, this unit plays a vital role in ensuring onboard safety and operational awareness across ship accommodation systems. Built with durable industrial-grade components, the panel delivers dependable alarm indication and quick response support for marine environments. The Lyngsø Marine UMS 2000 Alarm Panel is engineered for continuous operation in demanding shipboard conditions. It provides clear alarm notifications, stable performance, and easy system integration within marine automation and monitoring networks. Its compact yet robust design makes it suitable for various vessel applications, helping crew members monitor critical accommodation alarms efficiently.